Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be picking the winner of the palette. And of course it's over there. Hold on just a moment. I'm sorry. So it's the emerald palette that I was giving away. This is mine. The other one's still wrapped up. So these were the colors. Okay, so this is my palette. I have the exact same one for you, brand new, not used. So I've got the names of everybody in my bucket here. I always do it the old-fashioned way. I was watching Anne, the lady that I talked about yesterday, and she was doing a drawing for one of her giveaways. And she had technical difficulties, which I know I would too. So I always just do it the old-fashioned way. It's the way I've been doing it since my channel began, and this is the way I'm going to continue to do it. Here's the names of the people that have entered. You guys are all in there. So I'm going to go ahead and have my daughter Nicole pull a name. Then I will put you on pause, make sure that person is subscribed to me, and then we're going to do another quick little giveaway. So Nicole, would you like to draw a name?
Okay. How about this one? There we go.
Okay, so this is the person that Nicole picked out of my bucket, and I believe this person won from me before, but I can't be for sure. Angie, Anti-Love. Angie. So you won the giveaway as long as you're subscribed. So hold on just a moment. I'm going to check that and then we will move on. Okay, so I'm back. And yes, I believe her name is Angie. I'm guessing by her, YouTube name. But here I am, right there on her channel. So, and there's her name up there, so you know that is her channel. And does she have any content? I just want to know because if she does, I like to tell people and people can start watching her videos. Okay, no. So she does not make videos, but Angie, you won my giveaway. My information is in the description box. Please Instagram me your address, or you can email me. My Instagram is Kelly's, Kellies _ unboxing _ addiction. I need to make that easier. And if you'd rather just email me, it's Kelly, Kellie, 1969 at iCloud.com. So either way. And even if you've won from me before, because I don't keep addresses, but so I want to make sure that you give me your address. Okay, next up is the next giveaway as I'm looking back and forth to figure out where it is. All right, so the next giveaway, I just opened up, I believe it was my BoxyCharm yesterday, and I did post that video. And this came in my box. It is a translucent powder. And here it is here. It's a setting powder. And I do not use setting powders. So it's brand new in a beautiful, beautiful container. Here it is. I don't want Brooklyn to be eating the box, which she started to do, but looks like it was not touched. Thank goodness. Maybe a little bit of dog saliva right there. Sorry about that. But this will be going. So this is the first thing in the giveaway. And then I'm just going to throw in another thing in the giveaway. I do get single swag. They oftentimes, like every time, send necklaces or bracelets or some sort of jewelry. I'm a silver person, and this is gold, obviously, and I don't really do much with gold. I believe it's a necklace, or it could be 3 bracelets. But either way, I think it is the 3 bracelet thing. But either way, I don't wear gold. So this will be going as well. It's by Lily Sky. Okay, So the jewelry piece and then the translucent powder. If you are interested in this giveaway, Nicole, can you think of a very, very, very off the wall word?
Socks.
Socks. Okay, so you can put in a sentence down below the word socks. I love warm, cozy socks. You can say sock if you want. It doesn't matter, sock or socks, because I don't do the random comment picker, you guys. This is what I do. And I do it because of technical difficulties. Yes, I don't want to be caught there trying to figure it out. And it's just not worth it to me to download another app onto my phone, which is completely, you know, the memory, there's not a whole lot left. So that's it. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to put the secret word down if you're interested in this giveaway. And if you're not interested in this giveaway, please comment down below anyway. It really helps my channel to grow. And you need to be subscribed. Your channels must be public. I need to be able to see that I'm subscribed to you. And you must live in the United States. Okay? And nobody is sponsoring this giveaway. YouTube is not sponsoring this giveaway. And either is OPV Beauty. And either is Lily Sky Designs. They are not sponsoring this video at all. Okay, it's just me giving back to you. All right, so again, comment, thumbs up, subscribe. All those good things really help me. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great, great day. Bye.